Alright guys, Zaxter99 here. If you guys use PayPal and you get an email from PayPal saying that they've blocked a unknown charge or a suspicious looking charge, going through your PayPal account, you're not going to be able to go to the PayPal website, log in, and find that fraudulent, suspicious charge anywhere on the PayPal website on a PC. So if you're on a PC or I believe a Mac, you can check this suspicious looking charge, but you have to have the PayPal app, which means you can either download the PayPal app and log in on your phone or your device, right, your mobile device, such as an iPad or tablet or whatever. Or you can download the PayPal app on the PC. But to do this is going to require that you download an app from Bluestacks to download that PayPal app. The only other way, like you're not going to be able to find the PayPal app on the PayPal website. So in this situation, guys, all you need to do is go to Google and look for the Bluestacks app. And when you type in Bluestacks, all one word, you should see the app right here. Once you come in here, you're going to click download. It should have automatically Bluestacks. If you have Windows 11, it should say Bluestacks 11. You're going to go ahead and click and download the Bluestacks app just as you would install any other app that you might download. And then you don't have to create an account or anything once you have Bluestacks, guys. Once you download it, it's going to be right here. All right, guys, once you have Bluestacks on your desktop, you're just going to go ahead and double click that to open it up. It will take some time to, if it's already not installed yet, it'll take some time to install. And then simply come in here and type PayPal. At the top, as you see, I've already done. And there's your app player right there. So this is a great application if you're also wanting to play any kind of big mobile games on your PC. BlueStacks is the really good and safe way to get that app and play basically mobile apps on your PC, such as the PayPal app right here. As you can see, this comes from PayPal Mobile. So once you actually click here and get the PayPal app, then it's going to ask you to log into your PayPal account. You're probably going to have to confirm a key or a security code or verification code or whatever to get in. And then you'll see that with this PayPal app, I can now go in and find out what the hell was blocked on my debit card right here. So that's the way you do it. That's the way you check out suspicious looking charges that PayPal might have sent you an email for, or a text message letting you know that they've blocked a suspicious looking charge, to find out what the hell it was and find out if it was a charge you actually wanted to go through or whatever. You're going to need that PayPal app either on your mobile device, or you can download it with the BlueStacks app player on PC. Be sure you rate this video, guys. If this video has helped you, be sure you comment down below. Let me know. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. We'll see you in the next video. Take care.